Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your like on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on the three likes icon at the top, and then click on the setting and privacy. And after this, in here you can swipe down until you can see privacy, and then in here you can swipe down until you can see like videos. Click on it, and then in here you just click on who can watch your like a video. You can choose everyone or only me, but in here I wanna show you hide your like on TikTok, so you just click on the only me. And after this, in here you can go back and finish. So that's how to hide your like on TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.